there in Big Brother. So sometimes what people think it's off, it's probably good. So you stick to being unique. Being unique, it's nice. I'm not just unique with my skin, I'm unique, G, even inside. And then thank you so much, everyone, for coming and for voting for me. I promise you, when I hit those millions, we're coming back for a proper one. Danko! Oh, yes, sorry, I forgot my sponsors. Yo! So it was really difficult to make this thing happen because there were a whole lot of hiccups and I'm not this side. But then Beza, that's the right one, eh? Mbetse, yes. But in 4 days, you pulled out this. Literally 4 days. We didn't really have time. He went left and right, up and down, and get sponsors and people to even help me get here. Because yeah, it was a struggle for me to get here as well. And all the other sponsors. Oh, Kajori Hotel, they gave me a nice, beautiful room. But what sweet. That one. Asham, thank you so much. And there